Trilium versus Obsidian. In this 2025 comparison, we'll find out which note-taking platform is the best, so make sure to like and subscribe. So, number one is their features. Trilium is designed for structured knowledge bases with hierarchical note organization, automatic backups, and powerful scripting support. It's ideal for creating wikis or detailed project documentation. Obsidian, on the other hand, is all about linking your thoughts through markdown based notes and a graph view that usually or visually connects ideas. It also has a massive plugin ecosystem for organization and customization. Number two, ease of use. Trillium can be overwhelming for beginners because of its advanced features and interface, while Obsidian has a cleaner learning curve, though power users can make it equally complex with plugins. Number three, offline versus sync. Both work offline, but Obsidian offers paid sync and publishing features, while Trillium requires you to set up your own sync method, which is great for privacy, but it's less beginner friendly. Number four, customization. Trillium is highly customizable through CSS and scripting, but Obsidian wins for community-driven themes, templates, and integrations. Number 5, their pricing. Both of them are free to use, while Obsidian monetizes through add-on services like Sync and Publish, and Trillium is fully open source. So for final verdict, if you value privacy and deep customization for structured note systems, you can go for Trillium. But if you prefer balance of usability, flexibility, and a vibrant community, you can go for Obsidian. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.